Hello guys, LaserBot18 here, and today we are back playing Angry Birds Star Wars 2 Master Your Destiny, the pork side. Today we are doing level 11 to 20, and then one more episode, and I think this series will be probably almost finished. I'm not sure. Let's waste no more time. We're in this level. Oh no, I'm not sure how to feel about this. Ooh, that TNT. What will happen if I hit that TNT? A bunch of things gonna go. Wow. Wait, no Dark Vader will be good. Except, you know what? Let's try it. Are you serious? Oh, no, I wasted Dark Vader. Should I do it one more time? No, we're good. I'm gonna do Anakin instead. Like, the difference between Anakin and Darth Vader is that Darth Vader is more stronger. That was not what I was hoping for. Oh, nope. Wait a minute. I'm wasting a lot. I had you. Nope. Are you serious? Okay, that's close enough. Nice. Almost everyone. Yeah. Oh no! No, I gotta use him to get the points to score. No, are you serious? Why, game? Why? No, that was, man. Oh, how often am I gonna use that character? What is it? It's not Boba Fett. No, that's the bounty hunter. What the heck is that character? Nice. That was good. That was good. Oh, that was amazing. That was amazing. Oh, I have 69. Nice. Timbo! Is it one more? In what section is one more? I'm gonna. How do you want it? Royal Guard. That's it. Oh. That's a pretty interesting character. I can see why that character would be useful. Nice. That's another 3-star, and yes! Please be a lot of character. Yeah. I shouldn't, but it's fun. Oh my gosh. And it's just cool. Gotta aim it at you. Nice. Dark Vader is just super fun to use. Oh wait, I could have dropped those. Oh man, I could have dropped those on the pigs. Alright. I feel like I got those. Yep. Yeah, that's what I needed to do, but... Alright, Anakin. Oh! It's burning! Is it burning again? You serious? That wood is literally touching fire. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is... Like most of the pigs just like shooting. I feel like stormtroopers are better. Like... more stormtroopers. Just gonna make sure. Oh, nice. Amazing. $69, that's nice. Oh, gotta love it when this is 69. Oh wow. Oh wow. What? It's a question mark. Block. Well, I know who's look like pick for this job. I just don't like. Oh, you no. What? Wait a minute. Good job. I need more stormtroopers. I need more stormtroopers. They're only 80, so like... It's not like it's a scam or anything. What? Oh, man. This will be rough. Unless... Michael Scout. This is like Anakin. Wait a minute. Ooh. Like 15. I feel like I'm gonna buy it, guys. I'm gonna get 30 more. It's a good deal. Should I? I'm spending a lot. I should be spending like on some hologram Dark Sidious to get the points of the fatal. Oh my gosh, this is I keep spending. To hit it, nice. And like it will be useful. The investment is worth it. Yo, up next. Yes, yes. You know I'm putting back of you. Can you go in the water? Interesting. Man, I have 25,100 left. Well, almost got that much. Poke. I just need the rebel version. Stormtroopers, let's go. Are you serious? Oh. Alright. Wait, what? Nope. Nice. Okay. That's one less pig I need to deal with. Just let it blow up, and boom. If this is 2-star, I'm gonna be so upset. It's okay. At least it's, it's 1-star, but like. Okay. I'm not sure what to do other than use you. That was a bad idea. Oh, yeah, pig is taken care of. One pig left. Yup, Biker Scouts. What the heck is this? Hold on, let's just analyze it. Oh, this is a stormtrooper. Just wow. This is, oh my gosh, this is like it's asking to use Palpatine on it. Yeah. Oh wait, there's like this bundle pack. Alright. No, this fails, then I'm gonna be furious. Are you serious? I'm furious. That's it. Why should I just restart? What the heck do I do now? Okay, there. Maybe you. Oh wow. Dark Sidious, and I could go inside and electrocute everything. Nice job, Count Dooku. Wait, what level is this? 19. Okay. Oh wait, I could do this, guys. Look at this. What? No! Oh, there we go. Nice. It's raining bombs, everyone. Oh snap, that was cool. You gotta admit that was cool. There's no way you can't say that. They can maybe that was cool. Oh. Nice. Final level for this video. I have no idea what to do. These looks like race car. It looks like flag. It sounds like the Finland flag down below. I have no idea what to do. Wait a minute. I feel like I have a little bit of an idea. Slow motion fire. No, don't go there! No, my plan. Are you serious? You know, we stop. Man. My plan is ruined. You know what, better safe than sorry. Oh wow. That impacts. Come on. Here we go. Level 20 completed. Nice. Man. Oh my gosh, getting these points is really hard. Just wow. Some of them are easy, but like Gala Zep, or Rielis, 700. I mean, not too doable with the right level. Wow, Shadow Trooper. I mean, yeah, some of these can be easy. 600 and then 500 Imperial Officer. Some of these are gonna be. I'll try my best, guys. I will do my best to get all of these completed. And then we can play on these levels. Wow. I feel like the only challenge is gonna be Dark Cities because it's very expensive. Yeah, like this guy is pretty cheap, I guess. And then there's some bundles that can help me. Well, I guess that's it for this video, everyone. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye. And wait, may the force be with you. Oh, I think that's all I say. Okay, that's it. Bye, guys.